What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to deposit money on Polymarket. This is a fast guide and all you need to do is to come over to your Polymarket and at the top right area you can see deposit, tap on it. And once you tap on it you'll see some nice options to use. You could use transfer crypto, and once you click on transfer crypto this will show you a page where you can see your deposit address and you'll need to find the token and the support chain. So if you'd like to deposit USDC, you can leave it at USDC, which is a new feature, and then you could go ahead and click on the support chain. Now, Ethereum needs a minimum of $10, Solana and the range of the rest of them need just a minimum of $3. So go ahead and choose any of these options. So if you choose BSC, you can see it's changed right there, and you'll need to copy the deposit address and place it on the device or the platform which you'll be transferring from. If you'd like to use a QR code, go ahead and use the option to scan it. If you'd like to change USDC, use the drop down to select the other options in order to have your funds transferred into Polymarket. Now, of course, there are other options. You could deposit with your debit card. If you click on it, you can see the range of currencies right here. You could put it there. So say we select US dollar, select 500, and then here you have some provider options. It says here this is the fastest, so if you'd like to do it, you can go ahead and choose MoonPay, and it says auto picked for you. But if you have your preference, you could go ahead, click on it, and you'll see some options. We're just going to go back and then click on continue in order to proceed. Now the third and fourth option is connect exchange. So you can connect your other exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. However, Coinbase is the only one that is currently available. Others will be coming soon, and this might be different at the time you're watching this video. And the last option is to deposit with PayPal. You can use your PayPal to transfer funds. The limit is 10,000 and the limit for card is 50,000. However, if you're having a deposit higher than 50, you could go ahead and transfer crypto or use a Connect exchange. So this is how you can go ahead and deposit money on Polymarket fast and easy.